Assessments. The Assessments feature in AbleSpace allows you to create and administer informal assessments to students. There are two kinds of assessments in AbleSpace: present level of performance assessments and progress monitoring assessments. Present level of performance assessments give you the strengths and needs profile of the student. In comparison, progress monitoring assessments allow you to track the student's performance on a specific skill. Let's take a deep dive into both. To administer a present level of performance assessment, click on the Assessments tab and select the Strengths and Needs subtab. This will give you a library of available present level assessments. You can either choose from these or click on Create Your Own and create a custom assessment. You can also choose to duplicate an existing assessment and make modifications if needed. Click on the Take Test button to start administering the assessment. As you fill in the answers, you can start to see the strengths and needs profile building. The current set of results is assigned to a guest student. To assign the results to a student on your caseload, select a student from the drop-down and start answering again. There is another way to administer the present level of performance assessment. Go to the Caseload tab and then inside a student profile. Select Strengths and Needs, click on Collect Data and click on Take Test option to start collecting data for the student. If you want to collect data later, you can also click on the Assign button and the assessment will be assigned to the student to be taken later. You can click on the Retest option to take another iteration of the assessment, and the history of test results will be maintained. Progress monitoring assessments also follow a similar format. You can administer the test either from the Dedicated tab or from inside the student profile, and it gives out a percentage score. Again, the history is maintained as you retest, and you can see the change in scores over time. We are continuously adding to the assessment library, and you can expect to see more assessments in the future. If you still have questions, feel free to contact us at support@ablespace.io.